Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own facial toner at home. A facial toner is used to remove excess bacteria and dirt after you cleanse your face with soap or a facial wash and before you moisturize. We're going to need 80 to 90% hydrosol, 0 to 5% of a humectant. A humectant is something that attracts moisture, and then 1% essential oil. An example of a hydrosol is rose water. Rose water is an extract from the distillation of rose essential oil. We have various hydrosols, rose, orange. We also have hydrosols from herbs, roots, etc. To keep your face from drying out, you're going to need a humectant to attract moisture to your skin. In this case, we're going to be using glycerin or glycerine as people call it. Glycerin is a humectant that attracts moisture to your skin. For essential oils, we're going to be using bergamot essential oil as well as some orange essential oil. I have my rose water here. Rose water is a very fragrant hydrosol made from roses. You can find this in the Palace hypermarket. That's where I buy mine. I also buy my orange blossom water there at Palace. They smell really good and are great additions to your cosmetic formulations. I like to add apple cider vinegar to my toners because apple cider vinegar has a powerful cleansing property. It also has enzymes that help to cleanse and tone your skin. I buy my glycerin from the pharmacy, so if you're looking for some to buy, check your local community pharmacy. Glycerin is a clear, thick liquid. It comes in different brands and it has a warming effect, so you just need about 5% in your total formula. I'll be using some bergamot essential oil in our toner. Bergamot essential oil smells really nice. It has an uplifting scent. It's known to relieve stress and tension, and I personally like it a lot. Orange essential oil is also another favorite of mine. Also a nice citrusy essential oil. I like to think it will contribute to the cleansing effect of the toner. So we're going to get right to it. We're going to get a container with which we're going to prepare our toner. I like to use something like this type of a container, and then eventually I put it into a spray bottle before using it on my face. I'm only making about 100 ml of the toner, and this is going to last about a month. I'm going to keep it in this bottle and keep it in the fridge. You don't need too much of the product since we're not using any preservatives. You're going to need some cotton balls, or you can use these cotton pads. Personally, I like to use these cotton pads. That's my personal preference. I decided to use mostly rose water in my hydrosol element. I have rose water and orange blossom water. So I used about 50-60% rose water. Now I'm going to add some orange blossom water to make up the remaining 20 to 30%. So here we have a mixture of rose water and orange blossom water as our base. And then I'm going to add the glycerin. I'm doing this by eye, but if you look carefully, you can use a test tube to kind of measure your 80, 90%, your 5%, etc. So I'm just added a little bit of the glycerin to the mixture. Now I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add just about a tablespoon to the mix. So that's the main mixture done. What's left now is to add our essential oils, and our facial toner will be complete.